So welcome to delicious ice cream 3 ways. Refined, sugar-free, great for all the family, and literally take you 5 minutes to make.
So we're gonna make 3 different flavors. We're gonna make berries, pistachio, my all-time favorite, and cookie dough with chocolate chips, probably my next all-time favorite. So we're gonna use a little bit of magic to make this ice cream 3 ways. We're gonna use the freeze wand by our friends at Cuisinart. So we're gonna base ours on banana. We have a banana for each one of our 3 types. Just slice them up, makes it easier to blend.
And what are these tubs here?
Okay, these are BPA free, and these are just, we're gonna leave them frozen in there, ready to go whenever we want an ice cream.
So we're gonna just put all the ingredients in and then we freeze it, is that what happens?
Exactly.
Wow,
In
brilliant.
on top of that, we've cashew butter. You could use peanut butter, nut butter of choice.
So how much are you popping in?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons, okay. And then a bit of vanilla extract,
Yeah.
is that? Yeah. So this one here is our berry one, is it?
Yeah. And finally, we're gonna go in with 75 grams or half a cup of berries of choice. So just take a spoon and we're just gonna press it down so it's below the max line. Pop our lid on and we're gonna leave that into freeze. Okay, for our next one, we are going with pistachio.
So once again, we're starting with banana as the base here, so chop it into coins.
Banana will give that wonderful, creamy, smooth, silky one, and it's packed full of fiber for a much healthier ice cream.
And it also, like, primarily what it does is it adds sweetness without adding, you know, refined sugar.
In on top of that, I have 2 tablespoons of pistachio butter. If you don't have pistachio butter, you could soak 2 tablespoons of shelled pistachios. Add in some maple syrup if you want it sweeter, or leave it out. I'm gonna go with 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and a little pinch of salt. You might go salt. What's salt got to do with ice cream? But it just accentuates the sweetness perfectly. Beautiful. Here's the lid. Again, just check them up to the max line, cover it up, and in it goes to the freezer.
Okay, and for the third one, we are making our cookie dough ice cream. So I'm gonna start with our banana in the base of our tub.
We're gonna base this on a chunky peanut butter. So I'm gonna go in with 1 to 2 tablespoons of a chunky peanut butter.
We're gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of maple syrup again. That's gonna be our sweetener of choice.
A little bit of vanilla extract.
And a tiny pinch of salt, just to accentuate the sweet.
And just to make it a little bit easier, we're gonna put in a tiny little bit of oat milk or milk of choice. You could alternatively use water. Make sure it's just up to the max line, makes it easier to blend.
We're gonna pop them in the freezer to freeze, and then we can take them out, and it'll take us 2 minutes to blend them.
How long do you like to freeze it for, Dave?
12 to 24 hours. Just simply overnight works great.
So we froze them overnight and we let them thaw for 5 to 10 minutes, just makes it much easier. And we're gonna pop them out and get ready to make our ice cream.
These are amazing stackable BPA-free tubs, which are really, really handy as well.
One of the beautiful things about the Magic Freeze Wand, that it has 5 different functions. You can make ice cream sorbets, you can do mix-ins, so add in whatever mix-ins you want. You can make slushies and you can make milkshakes. Okay, so we lock our blade piece on first. Okay, here we go. Time to show our silky smooth ice. Ooh.
Look at that.
Look at the
Jeez,
texture.
Velvety.
Okay, time for a second ice cream. We have pistachio. So we just
Pistachios are absolute favourites, so this is really putting it to the test.
And to have a healthier pistachio is like a dream.
So on goes the base and on goes the wand.
Ooh. Just to show you the texture here for gorgeous.
Like, it's beautiful. Pistachio is my absolute favourite ice cream, so I can't wait to taste this one. Okay, now our final flavour, we've got cookie dough.
And we're gonna do a mix through with this just to give that chocolate chip. We're not adding them through now, and we're just gonna blend till smooth. Okay, here we go. Time to do our mix through with this. This is our cookies. This is this is probably my favorite, if I'm honest. I love pistachio, but I also love this one.
We've got our chocolate chips here. You can simply, if you don't have chocolate chips, you can just chop up a chocolate bar and use that instead.
And just move to our mix-in function. Okay, here we go. You ready? Just to show you this to be smooth, evenly distributed chocolate chips. Ooh, I love that.
Look,
I
so that's
love
right
this.
down the bottom. This looks
This is a healthier
absolutely-
cookie ice cream.
Look at that. Okay, so time to serve. Here we are, our 3 delicious flavours. We've got lovely little bowls here.
Texture.
Wow, that is really, really, really good, isn't it?
Just beautiful texture, really smooth, excellent.
There you go, Cuisinart Freeze Wand. It literally is like magic. We made 3 flavours, took us 5 minutes, refined, sugar-free, great fun for all the family.
And space saving, and here we go, time to taste them. I'm going in with pistachio. Oh,
and I'm going in here with the chocolate chip
Look at
cookie
the
dough.
texture.
That is really, that just looks creamy and milky.
Oh, I love it. Oh my word. My kids would love that. It's so tasty. I feel like
really,
really,
really good. There you go, 3 delicious recipes. Do check them out, and thank you for watching. Bye.
Cheers.